So this is my Skyteam Ace50. It's a replica of the Honda Dream AC15 moped, which is a very expensive moped. Originally I wanted to have my old Honda MB5 back, which I owned as a kid, as shown here. But these have become collectible items and are too expensive. These Chinese replicas you can buy quite cheap, and if you put some work on it, they look, I think, quite nice. I changed a few things on it, put some new instruments on it, new bracket for the headlight, new indicators. I painted this strut, also this one is normal silver, painted red. Skyteam somehow decided to have the caliper in gold and also the brake disc center part in gold, so I painted it silver. Put some stickers on it. This is original Honda Dream 50 because it's a better quality than the original Skyteam rubber. Put some sticker on it from Ace Cafe, because I think that's where the name Ace comes from. Put a new taillight on it, because instantly there's quite an ugly big taillight on it. So I thought this is more like a cafe racer. Also I lowered the fender a little bit, so it's more in line with the rear tire, because usually it's sitting much higher. Most important thing I changed is there's another engine in it, standard. It has an Lifan engine, single cam 2 valve. This is the Zongshen HY50, and it's more like the Honda Dream engine. It's a 4 valve, 2 cams, so you know, 2 cams. It has one inlet port, and it has 2 exhaust ports. This specific engine is from an English kit you can buy. It also has the Skyteam logo in the engine. I only had to make a bracket for it to fit it in the frame. At the back it fits perfect. Also in the kit there is this exhaust, and well, there are some, you have to fiddle, you have to make a small bracket here to make it fit, because original exhaust is hanging from this point, and obviously because it's a 2-in-1, this is much farther aft, so there's a small bracket behind that keeps it like this. It's quite a nice sound, so I'll start it up and see what it does. It's cold, so I'm not sure if it works. The difference between the Honda is that this one has an electric starter, and the Honda Dream has only a kickstart, but also I can use the kickstart. No, I think I'll kickstart it. Well, it's still cold, but that's the sound. I think it's a great sound for such a little engine.